Hi everyone, welcome back to Tracup. This video will offer you a detailed guide of using Tracup's prompt templates. Actually, here are two ways to add prompt templates. The first way is to enter Template Center and find the prompt template you need. Click Use Template and add the prompt to your workspace. Also, you can see a description of template details. Click Add to Tracup AI and a dialog box will pop up to remind you that the addition was successful. As to specific use, just open the AI menu from Tracup Editor by typing the space key. Then, find the added template in Custom. Click the prompt and input your content. Finally, just wait for a while and see a wonderful answer. Of course, you can stop it in advance, and then here are 4 choices for you. The second way is to open the AI menu from Tracup Editor by typing the space key and click More in Custom. Then, find the prompt template you need and add the prompt to your workspace. Let's use Tracup prompts to generate more accurate answers, release your time, and enhance your AI use experience.